Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to measure objects, distances, or areas directly within a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you're working with floor plans, technical drawings, or just trying to size up images in a document, mastering Acrobat's measuring tools can save you a ton of time and give you accurate results right where you need them. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to find and use all the measuring features that Acrobat has to offer. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up the PDF document you want to measure. In Adobe Acrobat Pro, all your actions start with the file open right in front of you. So go ahead and launch Acrobat Pro, then find and open your PDF. If you're working with a multi-page document, it helps to scroll to the page or section where you want to measure, just so you're ready for the next steps. Some PDFs, especially architectural or design files, might have scaled drawings. So keep an eye out for any notes about scale that could affect your measurements later. Once your document is open, look to the very top left of your screen for the Tools tab. The interface might seem busy if you're new to Acrobat, but the Tools tab is your gateway to all the powerful extra features, like measuring. Click on it, and you'll see a grid of options and icons. It's a long list, so don't worry if you need to scroll a little to find what you're looking for. Next, scroll down through the available tool options and look for one labeled Measure. This one will have a little ruler icon next to its name. This is where all the measurement magic happens. When you click Measure, you'll notice that a new toolbar pops up over on the right panel of Acrobat. The interface adapts to give you quick access to everything you need. If you're ever confused by all these panels and icons, just remember that any tool you activate will usually appear somewhere on the right. In the Measure panel, you'll see a list of measuring tools, each with a different purpose. Here's a quick rundown. The distance tool is perfect if you want to measure a straight line between 2 points. Think of it like measuring the length of a desk or the width of a doorway on a blueprint. To use it, simply click your starting point, then your end point, and Acrobat will tell you the exact distance. It's really handy for quickly checking dimensions. Next up is the perimeter tool. This option lets you measure a series of connected line segments, almost like tracing the outline of a garden bed or the edge of a property. Every click marks a corner or a turning point. Once you've connected all your desired points, Acrobat will total up the perimeter for you. If you're mapping out multiple rooms or an irregular shape, this is the tool for the job. Now, if you need to measure the area of an enclosed space, say a room on a floor plan or a plot of land, the Area tool is your go-to. With this, you define a closed shape by clicking along its edges. Acrobat will automatically calculate the area inside, which can be a real game changer for things like estimating floor space or figuring out square footage. Finally, there's the Object Data tool. This isn't for measurements, but rather for gathering information about existing objects in the PDF, like properties, metadata, or other embedded details. It's particularly useful if you're reviewing professionally created documents or dealing with advanced graphics and drawings. Take your time exploring these tools. Sometimes finding the right one for your task is half the battle. If anything feels tricky at first, don't stress. Measuring in Acrobat can take a little practice, especially when working with complex documents or odd angles. Always double-check your points, and don't be afraid to zoom in for precision. That's the basics. I hope this walkthrough helps you measure anything you need right inside Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a like, leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a specific measuring scenario you want to see covered, and make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.